Alright guys, and I am back in the area of Newburgh with this EPDM roofing project, and as you guys can see, we already replaced most of the plywood on this property. From the last clips, you guys are going to be able to see the amount of rotten and damaged plywood on this area. So we decided to speak with the homeowners and we took the best approach, which was a full plywood replacement. So just wait, I'm going to show you guys all of this replaced and once we are ready to install the EPDM roof system. So let's go.